guys, welcome to another video of the 40,000 pesos recommendation of a system or a PC without OS, monitor, keyboard, mouse, headset, etc. Kasi pag pinactor in ko yun, syempre tataas to. Pero this is for them, meron ng PC or kung gusto mag-upgrade or bibili ng bago, the 40k mark naman. So, let's start. Sa case, pinili ko tong Sharkoon VG5W. Ito yung case na gamit ko ngayon. It is very solid quality. And, wait, ito except may flaw ako nakita, which is, or kasalanan ko, huwag nyo yung audio dito. Delikado kung baka mabend. So, pag huhugutin nyo, ingat kayo. Meron siyang 6 expansion slots sa likod. Kaya niya ng 80X motherboard. Yung regular 80X form factor and lower syempre, or smaller rather. Meron siyang water cooling openings sa likod kung meron kayong yung may water all-in-one cooler. Ibo ako. Meron siyang kaya niya maglagay ng internal hard drive na marami, as well as yung mga SSD and yun. And next, ito naman ang recommend ko is yung i5 6600 for the 40k. Hindi tayo nag i7 kasi kung nag i7 tayo, hindi natin mabibili itong mga other parts na necessary na medyo mataas na rin yung quality as well as yung performance from the regular katulad ng graphics card natin, which is nawawala. Wait, we'll show that later. So i5 4 cores, 4 threads, good for gaming na to talaga, promise. Oh my god, nagbo-bottleneck to? No, unless nag 1080 ka, pero yung 1080 onti lang yung difference na makikita mong bottleneck, parang sobrang liit lang talaga. Anyway, when video editor kayo din like me or nag-work kayo with rendering processing, maganda to for streaming din yung PC na to, and gaming at ultra settings with the video card or graphics card na i-prepare natin later on. Next, itong MSI B150. I know, pwede rin yung H170, pero hindi ka naman, unless kailangan mo talaga ng dual GPU slot or dual 16x PCIe lanes. And kung itong 2133 MHz dito sa supported lang dito up to this yung dalawang slot na to. Meron siyang USB 3.1 so Gen 1 siya. And meron siyang 8 to 6 gigabits, marami dito. I don't know kung ilan, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 or either 4 or 6. Pero yes. MSI is ito, bumibili talaga ako ng products nila noon pa. Very good yung quality talaga nila. Military class. Yung metals and components na ginamit nila. Next is yung RAM. Ito yung nakita na, ito nagbago na yung price ng So pag bibili ka and you watch this video from the future, just check the prices kasi nag-fluctuate yung prices natin. As of ngayon na it's December 7, malay mo next year bumaba to or tumaas kasi yung nakita ko isang RAM tumaas Ito, dito ba yun? Walang bago, nawala nito, pero I can still record. Yes. So, ito, DDR4, 2400 MHz. May 2400 MHz siya, mag-down clock siya to 2133 MHz kasi ito lang yung supported na motherboard nito. And, ito yung pinakamura na 8GB single stick. Kaya hindi ako nag-dual 8GB, 4GB kasi pag mag-upgrade in the future, pwede ka mag-dual 8GB. So, 16GB of RAM. For those who love editing, kasi in video editing, you need RAM to yung sa playback para keep mo yun, para mag-play siya agad habang nag-edit ka smoothly. Next is yung the classic Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB. Ito na yung standard at the moment. Pwede rin ng 2TB, pero we're budgeting here hanggang 40k, so okay na tong 1TB to hold your files. Kung kulang pa to, grabe ka na. Or I respect you kasi talagang i-utilize mo yung mga hard drive. Next is yung SSD na to from A-Data. This is a good brand naman, and Hindi naman ganun ka high-end yung board natin to support yung medyo super fast talaga na SSD. So, this is sufficient for us na in this build. Ito, kaya lang ako nag-add na to for the OS and some programs para ma-feel nyo yung snappiness ng program, responsiveness ng pag-launch, and mabilis na boot time sa OS. Grabe itong ubo ko. Ito na naman, again, sa power supply. Infamous Sonic S12 521 80 plus bronze rating, so meron siyang rating na maganda yung peak efficiency niya from the 520 watt, which is yung 80% ng 520 watt is stable, is mga nasa 400 something or 410 watts na sabihin natin yung maximum power efficient delivery, power transfer niya sa mga components natin. Next, we have the graphics card. Yes, we're back. The graphics card. Itong pinili natin, which is, kasi yung tira na lang sa budget natin is approximately 14,000. And ito eksakto, may sumabot tayo ng 90 pesos, pero who cares? Yan. GTX 1060, overclock na to, and maganda yung cooler na to, kasi yung Asus has pretty good coolers. Hindi kayo convinced, let's search it kung bakit. So ito yung boost clock niya, 1809 MHz. Ito yung base clock niya, which is 1294. Meron siya 1028 kilocores, which is very good for 1080 maximum gaming settings sa mga PC games. Follow ito, mga example ng games. Ayun, LOL, easy peasy. System nito. Skyrim, Dying Light, Firewatch, Assassin's Creed, Dragon Nest, CSGO Shadows, also mga ganitong games. So, yung Fallout 4 ko nga eh. And ito kayang-kaya sa system ko eh, Far Cry 4, and yun. Minecraft also, very good. So yun. Pero yung sa cooler again, before we sum it up and round up yung conclusions sa system na to. So, makikita natin yung meron siyang patented wing blades, meron siyang more air pressure, may mga good chokes and power delivery, stable, ang daming power face, grabe. Smooth yung design niya. VR friendly, it's just VR capable na to at 1080p. And ano pa ba? Marami siyang other good stuffs. Yes. So, yun lang ma-recommend ko for the price point of 40,000 pesos. I hope you enjoy, and kung meron kayong suggestion or kung may question kayo kung mag-build kayo ng ganitong PC, I'd gladly help you. Kung may alternatives kayo or modifications, just leave a comment and I'll surely answer it in the future. Salamat sa panonood and have a nice day.